Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Tuesday, 25th November 2025. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets ended higher yesterday, led by a strong surge in tech stocks, with the Nasdaq jumping sharply and the S&P 500 also posting solid gains, while the Dow rose modestly. The rally was driven mainly by growing expectations of a December Fed rate cut and strong momentum in major AI and tech-linked names. The Asian markets opened mostly higher today, with the Nikkei gaining after yesterday's holiday. The rally is mostly fueled by Fed rate cut expectations, as the indices reflected the U.S. market's optimism which was seen yesterday. Gift Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 25,980, indicating a flat opening for the Indian markets today. Crude is moving in a tight range, with prices influenced by global supply concerns and OPEC Plus expectations, while weak demand signals and rising inventories are capping any major upside. Gold is trading steady to slightly firm, supported by safe haven demand and expectations of softer global interest rates, though high domestic prices are keeping buying activity cautious. Bharat Electronics formed a JV with Safran Electronics and Defense France to produce smart precision-guided weapons in India. Paras Defense signed an MOU with the Inter-University Accelerator Center to jointly develop MRI magnet systems. HUDCO entered a pact with the National Institute of Urban Affairs for collaboration on urban infrastructure initiatives. Nifty will trade today with a resistance around 26,140, while support on the downside is at 25,850. Global cues are positive as most Asian markets are trading in the green, as it carried over optimism from yesterday's U.S. markets close. A sharp crude oil spike remains a major risk. It could hurt India's macro stability, widen the current account deficit, and feed inflation. Easing global inflation, especially in the U.S., boosting hopes for rate cuts could drive FII inflows, while India's relatively strong macro fundamentals support further market strength. Yesterday, FIIs were net sellers of approximately 4,172 crore rupees, while DIIs were net buyers of around 4,513 crore rupees in the cash market. That's your market snapshot for India on November 25, 2025. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.